Say hi, Oakley.
Carter's looking at the elephants. He's a huge elephant fan. Carter, what's that?
You can also do jet skis.
What's that?
right here at the elephant farm.
What's that? Elephant. Carter, say elephant. 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 What do you think, bud? Okay, you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. To the elephant. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So we're at an elephant farm here in Phuket, Thailand. And there's real elephants for Carter to see. And so back here we have a beautiful lagoon with boats and jet skis. And there's the ocean in the distance. Very cool. And here's little Carter. Carter's trip to Thailand. Carter! Say bye-bye to the elephants. Bye-bye. Carter, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, he's being shy.